Hello.
So you've heard of Gruyere cheese, right?
Hell yeah.
Ever wondered where it comes from?
Yeah, from here.
Spoiler alert, it's from Gruyere.
Show us around.
Two things. One, how can I show you around? I've never been here before. And two, I have a notoriously our sense of direction.
Show us around anyway.
Come up here, there's things and stuff.
Good things.
Oh, great things.
Wow, it's very pretty already. Wowzers. The village of Gruyere is under 2 hours by car from Bern, the capital of Switzerland.
And just under 2 hours from Geneva by train.
This is the fountain. No, this is the fountain, right here.
Look who I found.
You know, if you leave me alone for 2 minutes, I'm going to find something yummy. That is a croque monsieur with Gruyere cheese, and we're in Gruyere, so, you know.
Very appropriate, isn't it?
Very Gruyere of me, isn't it? How'd you go?
Good. Really cute town.
Yeah?
Is it yummy?
Show me some pictures. Come.
So apart from cheese, what is Gruyere famous for?
Chocolate. Swiss chocolate. Gimme. Buy some chocolate from here.
So we've just been shopping for chocolate in Gruyere, which
Yeah.
makes sense because
When in Rome, yeah.
exactly. And then I saw one of my favourite words, and it is a French word, and we are in the sort of Frenchy part of Switzerland, meringue. So I got us this to share.
All right, try it now.
Yeah.
Gotta do it. Well, there goes 3 francs worth of meringue. Buy 3 francs.
Bye. We're poor now. We're gonna go home.
Can't afford the rest now. And
It's extraordinary.
I figured.
Swap. What do you think? Pretty good, huh?
Amazing. Double cream something or other. I know, I need to have this. And that.
Just a block of chocolate from Gruyere.
Yeah.
So we're getting the Gruyere thing done.
That was 8 francs and 50 cents. Mortgage.
And cheese. Yeah.
It was delicious.
It's a mortgage in our well-being, and we're making the payment, and we're happy to. Right?
Bonjour. Bonjour.
$12.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Let's take this in for a bit. Picture perfect, really. It's like being time machined into the Middle Ages. There's the Airbnb we booked. Right? Is that the one you booked us?
Yes.
Great views are everywhere around here. Everywhere. Oh, pretty and symmetrical. Wow, you can feel the history. Let's get out of here. It's filling up. Bonjour. Or not.
Oh, she was not happy to see you.
That's great. I'm happy to see me.
Let's get crowded, and it's time to go.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
You were great. Right?
Got cheese, got chocolate, got old architecture. What more could you want?
What more could you want?
If you find yourself doing a road trip around Switzerland and you're anywhere near Gruyere, thoroughly recommend that you drop in and have a look. It's beautiful.
What he said.
And we'll have another video up soon, won't we?
We will.